Hi everybody, it's Lisa here from This Is Knit, and today I want to take you back. I want to take you way back and tell you a story about when I first learned how to knit. So this is 16 years ago. The scene is a backpacking trip through New Zealand and Australia, and we went during winter. It was cheaper to go then, and I was very cold. So I started off learning how to knit. I did the first scarf. It was adorably wonky. It went in, it went out, it had holes, and I wore it with pride. And then I was ready for my next challenge. I took on a hat. I was ready. I needed to be warm. so I was ready to go. I cast on all my stitches. I followed that pattern to the letter. We took on those new challenges of actually shaping and seeing my work come in deliberately this time. To shorten the number of stitches that were on my needle, and I sewed it up with pride. Now, in the end, I did get a very practical finished project, but it was something that was not just going to be useful for winter. It was going to serve me through the rest of that trip, because my hat was the size of a coin purse. I knew nothing about gauge. I knew nothing about the importance of having the right size needle, the right thickness of yarn. I thought, if I have my pattern, I have some needles and some yarn, it would all work out in the end. Now it did work out in the end. Here I am 16 years later, and together with my mum, I own This Is Knit in Dublin, and we have taught many people how to knit and how not to fall into those same pitfalls that I fell in back on that cold New Zealand winter day. Things are a bit different this winter. Usually we would have absolutely multiple classes going on every weekend, helping people who are knit curious and crochet curious to get started, and we would guide you and mentor you through that process. We're really going to miss that this winter, but it's just in the current circumstances not possible. But we have a plan, because together with Carol Feller and I Knit 7, we've all teamed up to bring you a online course that you can take in your own time, where you are going to learn how to make your first little pouch. An intention, you can use it as a coin purse if you want, how to make your first hat and how to make a mini cardigan too. So this is actually 2 courses in one for a special bundle price, and all of the I Knit 7 shops are offering kits in different yarns that are unique to their shops. You just pop in, purchase the kit of your choice in the yarn that appeals to you. We'll make sure the needles, everything that you need, your accessories are in there, and you're going to get a coupon code to access Carol Feller's wonderful online instructions, and she is going to show you how it's done. We'll be here to support you from a safe and healthy distance, and we're looking forward to welcoming all of these new knitters into this amazing world that we so love.